So we got our fresh crank gear, our fresh cam gear, and our fresh timing chain. And all of this comes from Chloe Gear and Products. They had some good reviews, so I went with them. So we're gonna use our old crank gear just to sandwich it in. Push it on there. Let's see. Would it be better on this side? Maybe. Gang, what's up, man? Mr. Random checking in. So today, we're gonna be installing the sloppy mechanic stage 2 cam with the Chloe's crank gear and cam gear new timing chain installation on our LS 6.0. So if you're new, make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. And we're gonna have a lot more coming, so y'all stay tuned. Mr. Random. All right, gang. So we got our sloppy mechanic stage 2 right here, guys. And first, we're gonna go it on, give it a clean wipe down. Alright guys, so we got the cam all wiped down. So we putting our water pump bolts in the front of our cam so we'll be able to guide it as we're going in. Alright. So the lube that we went with, guys, Valvoline multi-vehicle high temperature red grease. We're gonna lube our cam up with this grease, guys. You want to lube it all up good because this cam is going to be sliding through our cam bearings. We're going to be riding on them, guys. You always want to lube your cam up. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead on and install our cam. We're going in with it, guys. We're going in with our cam. You want to try to keep it as straight as possible. Take your time too, because we all sliding through cam bearings. And there he is. Y'all see, I put a notch right there, a little mark, so we can line our alignment pin up with that with the mark that I put right there. And we also did the same right here for the center indication. We marked the block. We're gonna clean that up real good. Turn it a little more, a few more times. That's nice and solid, guys. So you line that hole up right there. Y'all see we got here the camshaft cover gasket. The plate and a gasket, brand new. Whenever you want to swap your cam, might as well go ahead and change that cover, guys. So you make sure you're nice and seated. So, part number on here, General Motors, is B31822. So we're gonna go ahead and pop him open. Y'all see we got our plate right here with the gasket. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply some clear RTV silicone right along this top side of the gasket, just to make sure we're extra sealed up. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and stick him on there. Throw a few bolts up in him. This is the kit that we went with for our timing chain, our crank gear, and our cam gear. This is our cam gear right here. So we're gonna go ahead and line him up, pull these bolts out. So you want to line your marks up. You see your two marks right there? You got one on your crank. You got one on your crank right here, a little small dot indicator, if y'all can see that. And then you got another one right here on this cam gear. So you want to line that up. Y'all see the Chloe's gear products, timing chain, fresh crank gear that we seated on with the old crank gear, and we removed it with the same pulley that we removed the harmonic balance with. Same setup.
Ready for next time. This is a great plate, guys. Dirty Dingle. And it's universal, too.
So next, guys, we're gonna be installing our melon performance oil pump and the cover, the front cover and gasket. We probably go ahead on and just grab the rear gasket as well while we're doing it. Might as well, guys. Alright guys, y'all won't believe I actually installed the wrong timing chain, guys. That's the one we took off of there. This is our new one right here. You can tell it's much thicker. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this chain back out. That's the little type of things you gotta pay attention for. But I had just changed the other the chain too. So y'all see that it's lined up perfect. You see your dot on your crank, and you see your dot on your cam. So we just gonna snug our bolts up by hand now. Alright gang, we done got our crank gear on there, we done got our cam gear on there. Fresh timing chain. So next we're gonna be installing the oil pump, high performance, melon. And we're gonna get us another front timing cover gasket. And probably another one for the rear too. So we can start closing this up and getting this block painted up. We also gonna have to run to the dealer probably Monday and go ahead on and cop those head gaskets. That's the cheapest place that's selling them, and they only come with a 1-year warranty. So there's the old gaskets right here. Y'all can pretty much see they done. And look at this front cover that we had took off the gasket all cracked up. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. If you like the video, make sure you comment, subscribe, and share the link, baby. Mr. Randall, we out.